Yoga. You appreciate what it could do for you, but do you ever just wished that you could be one of those people who loved it and was able to find the inner peace and balance with it instead of just feeling like you're playing an impossible game of Twister with your friends? In this video, I'm going to share with you why it feels like that and the secret to what you can do to begin having the experience you really desire to have with yoga. Welcome back to another video. My name is Dom and I help people to step into their truth and power. Yoga. Oh my gosh. If you only knew what my first experience with yoga was like. It was about 10 years ago and I purchased my first at-home workout program called P90X. Remember that program? It was a tough program and I did really well with the program, but there was one specific workout in that program that I despised, and it was Yoga X. Now, I'm not the most flexy, bendy kind of guy. I've never been. And so every time I did this workout, I seemed to be judging myself the entire time. I was saying things like, why does this have to hurt so much? Am I doing it right? Am I in the right form? Or do I look like an elephant with its ass up in the air? And how the hell do people fall into a peaceful Zen state when all I can focus on is the pain of staying in this move that I'm in? Although I never aced Yoga X, I did see small improvement in my balance and flexibility. But the experience left me with a really bad taste in my mouth for yoga. Then a couple of years later, I came into doing a different workout program. This one was called Body Combat. This is a mixed martial arts workout program, and it too incorporated yoga moves inspired by different mixed martial arts moves. This one I really enjoyed a lot. Well, there was one particular workout that they did. It was a 45-minute workout of intense punching and kicking. And they did this routine of several minutes of yoga stretching at the end. I was more able to do the moves that they were showing, and for the first time, I fell into that Zen state that people so often talk about, if only just for a couple of minutes. By the end, I felt amazing. I was dripping in sweat. I was so calm. And I even had a few tears running down my face because I got into that Zen state. It was almost spiritual. In fact, it probably was spiritual. Why did I struggle so much with one and not the other? I finally unlocked the secret. Are you ready? Here it is. In my second experience, I wasn't in my ego or my mind judging myself in any way. I wasn't asking myself if I was doing it right. I wasn't concerned with what I might be looking like, even though I was alone at home doing it anyway. There was nobody here to judge me. It was all self-judgment. I was focused on the present moment and what I was actually able to do. I released all the judgment and I got out of my mind and my ego, and I just simply allowed myself to be present and surrender to the experience. It felt so freeing, and it was the first time I had experienced that Zen meditative state. It felt spiritual because I felt at one with everything in my body, my mind, and my spirit, all at one with each other, in alignment. It was incredible. It was the first time I actually experienced that. After that experience, my curiosity was really piqued, and I continued to study and practice this aspect of my health and wellness more frequently. That feeling of bringing everything into alignment has greatly impacted my ability to be living more in the moment each day, more present, with an ability to be mindfully and thoughtfully responding to things more frequently throughout the day instead of reacting out of my emotion. Now, I'm not perfect yet by any means. I am still a work in progress. I still fall into reacting from emotion sometimes, especially when I'm tired. So I know I need to get good rest with this too. Getting my body, my mind, and my spirit into alignment each day and getting good rest is key and has become a part of what I do each day and who I am choosing to become, because it has really so greatly impacted my life in such a positive way. Physically, yoga has allowed me to improve my flexibility, my balance, and my strength. Mentally, it calms my mind. Emotionally, it grounds my feelings. And spiritually, I'm able to connect to that which is greater than me in a new way, because my mind and my ego are checked out for a moment of time to give my mind rest and relaxation, so I can hear and connect to that. It took some practice for me to do this. It took a few years actually for me to even figure all of this out. I don't want it to take that long for you. Our mind has a tendency to want to keep us and distract us from connecting to that inner being. And so to help you, I created a short 10 to 12 minute meditation exercise. Actually, it's not so much a meditation, but it's a 10 to 12 minute visualization that I walk you through that I've simply called Calm the Mind. When you listen to Calm the Mind, I'll walk you through a visualization to quiet those distractions that come flying into your mind, so that you can have an opportunity to embrace what it's like to be in the present moment without any distraction. I've done this exercise with countless clients of mine, many who have claimed they couldn't do yoga for more than 30 seconds because they couldn't turn off their mind and they didn't know how. But because this is not so much a meditation exercise, but a visualization experience, my clients have been able to experience for the first time what it's like. And it's really helped them, and it's been a powerful experience for them. The Calm Your Mind meditation exercise is free to listen to, and you can experience it. I put the link in the description box below, so go check it out. So I'm curious, how are you feeling after watching this video? Are you willing and open to giving yoga a try in a little bit different kind of way than maybe you have before, in the way that I've described? Or maybe trying my visualization? What is present for you right now? What are you thinking and feeling? Share it in the comments below. I want to know, I want to hear, I want to be able to engage with you and help you. And if this video has helped you in any way, I invite you, of course, to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to have a lot more videos coming. And more importantly, what I would invite you to do is to pay it forward. Pay it forward and share this video with just one person who you think would benefit from watching this. And until I connect with you again for my next video, stay well, stay healthy, and stay empowered.